I'm happy to see you. Today is Tuesday. It's the second day of the week. This is a short week, only 4 days, but we're going to have fun. We're going to make the best of it. I hope you had a good weekend. So today is our maths class, and we are going to do a lot of things today, 4 to be exact. So the first thing, we're going to sing a song to say good morning as always. Then we're going to watch a video where we have to tell the number by seeing some objects. So you have to be quick and think fast. Maybe if it's too hard for you, we can do it 2 times. I'm going to put it in a slow pace so we are able to say the numbers. Number 3, we're going to play a game about counting from 1 to 10 with candles and birthday cakes. And number 4, we are going to do our activity on the notebook. So we will need this paper, we will need our maths notebook, remember, the one that has big squares and says maths here, yours. We need scissors and glue stick for this part of the class. So let's begin. Good morning. Now there's the video that I told you where you have to subitize. What is subitize? That you see something, a set of things, and you have to tell me the number very fast, just with seeing it. For example, if I show you, I'm going to use this paper. If I show you this, you're going to tell me what number this represents. Number 3. Very good. So the video shows a lot of sets of things you have to say quickly before the number appears on the right part of the video, the number. Okay, so you have to be quick. Don't worry if you don't do it as fast as the guy in the video, because we're going to practice this skill that is subitizing. Okay, but give it a try and tell me how was it. Okay.
I love to subitize every day. My name is Cowboy Jack, and I can subitize fast. See if you can answer faster than me. Okay, partners, don't count. Use your brain and eyes. Think quick, subitize. I'll show you a set. You do your best. day. My name is Cowboy Jack, and I can subitize fast. See if you can answer faster than me.
Was it good, easy, difficult, a little bit, so? Okay. We're going to keep practicing, don't worry, but this is an important skill to use when we know numbers, okay? So don't worry, we're going to keep practicing. Now, number 3, the part number 3 of our class, we're going to play a game, counting candles of a birthday cake. So you're going to listen the instruction, and then we are going to count, and you are going to tell me what number corresponds with the candles. You are going to touch your screen to the number, okay? Do it before I do, so then you can check, okay? I'm going to give you a little bit of time before giving you the answer, so you can touch the screen and give the answer, okay? So this is the game I told you. We're going to play it. We're going to listen what the guy says. Then we're going to count the candles, and you're going to show me the number, okay?
Birthday candle count. It is Jaden's birthday. How old is he? Click on the candles to count and then select a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so now where is number 8? Show me number 8 before I do it. Very good.
That's right. How many years old is Alan?
Let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Where is number 10? Can you show me? Please do it before I do, okay? Touch the screen. Very good. This is number 10.
How many years old is Cormac? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which one is number 4? Very good.
That's right.
This one is easy,
Ian
right?
is a growing boy. How old is he? 1.
Which one is number 1?
That's
Very good.
right. How old is Peyton? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Which one is number 7? Touch number 7. Very good.
That's right. How old is Noah?
Look at Noah like ours in our classroom.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. Which one is number 5, guys? Very good.
That's right.
There's a lot
Tony
of candles
is
here.
a big boy. How old is he? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Which one is number 9? Touch number 9. Very
That's
good.
right. How old is Avery? 1, 2, 3.
3. Which one is number 3, kids? Very good.
That's right. It is Susie's birthday. How old is she? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Which one is number 6? Very good.
That's right. Emily is a big girl. How old is she?
How old is she?
1, 2.
Very good. Which one is number 2? Very good.
That's right.
Look, that's a huge cake. We did it. Excellent job, kids. Very good. Nice job. Counting the candles. It was fun, right? Now, for the fourth and last part of our class, we are going to use our notebook, our scissors, glue stick, and the paper. Okay? So, get them. So, look what we're going to do. We're going to get this paper, and I want you to see your notebook. You should have this. The numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? We have number 1, number 2. What is this number? 3. Very good. This one. 4, 5. On the next page, we have the other ones. 6. This one. Very good. 8, 9, and 10. Very good. So this is what we are going to do. We're going to see that these squares, look, represent different numbers from 1 to 10. So what we are going to do first, we are going to cut them. Okay, so look at here, it has a dashed line. So we are going to cut every square by the line. Okay, that's the first step. And then I will tell you what we're going to do. Okay, so remember, look, I have my scissors. So look, remember how we grab them. We put our thumb here and 1 or 2 fingers, and I open and close to cut. So first we're going to cut this line here. Okay, so we're going to cut. Take your time. If you need to pause the video and do it on your time, it's okay. I just want to show you how we're going to do, how it is easier. Okay, first, then we're going to cut this one down here. Okay, so we have only the pictures that we are going to paste. Okay, so we're going to cut this piece away. Excellent job. I use recycling paper. Now here I'm going to cut this one on the side by the line, open and close, open and close. Very good. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be done by you. Now the last one, the last part. Okay, so we have now only the pictures that we are going to use. We got rid of the extra paper. Okay, so what is this shape? You remember what is this shape we have here? A rectangle. Very good. Now we're going to cut all the vertical lines because they are shorter, so they are easier to cut. Okay, so we're going to cut the vertical lines. I'm going to start from the bottom to the top. You can do it backwards from the top to the bottom, it's okay. So 1, very good, 1, the other one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Now, with each of these, we're going to cut the small squares by the lines, okay? So it's easier. So 1, 2, 3. And that with all of them. So we have small squares, okay? With all of them. We're going to do that with each one of them. Take your time. Remember, it's important for us to practice our cutting skills with scissors, so this is good practice too for us. Very good. Take your time. If you need to pause the video, remember you can do it. Feel free to do it at your own pace. Okay? Very good. There are a lot, I know, but it's good practice. Very good, very good. I just need one more. Very good. This is the last one. Okay. So, as you notice, on our squares we have 3 kinds of sets. We have the set with the fingers, like this one. We have the set with the 10 frame, like this one. And we have the set with the dice, like this one. Okay? So what we are going to do? We are going to make a pile of the squares. We're going to make a pile. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I'm going to make a pile. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to take my notebook on this page, and I'm going to start getting the first one. So I got this one. So I need to count. This is a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to look for number 6. It's on the other page. And I'm going to paste it next to number 6. Okay? That's mine. Yours might be different because we have a different order. But that's the idea. You have to put all the squares on the corresponding numbers. Some have more sets than the others. It's okay. They are not even. Look what I got here. A dice. And let's see how many dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 too. So I need to put it next to number 6. Okay, very good. Excellent. And on. Look, I got the dices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need to put it next to 9. Okay. And that's how we're going to do it. I'm going to do some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to go to the other page because number 5 is on this page. And I'm going to put some glue, my glue stick, and paste it next to number 5. And that's how we're going to keep working. This is number 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put it next to number 3. If it's too big, maybe we can cut it a little bit smaller. Look, this one has the lines. So we can cut it a little bit smaller if it's too big. Okay, maybe this one fits better like this. So I'm going to put some glue stick on it. And number 3. Very good. And that's how we're going to keep doing it with the rest of our pie. Okay, so the idea is that we finish doing this part. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 more with you, and then I'm going to finish and show you how it ends. Look, I have a different set here. It's a finger set. So how many fingers up does this hand show? 3, very good. It can be like this, it can be like this. It's 3. So I'm going to put it next to the other one that I had with number 3. Don't worry, some of them have 1, some of them have 2, some of them have 3. I think there's enough space for at least the 3 of the sets. Look at this one. It's a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know that it's 10 because a 10 frame only has 10 slots or 10 spaces. So if it's a full 10 frame, we already know it's a 10. So I'm going to go to the next page. Make sure that it doesn't stick to the other page. Don't put a lot of glue stick outside of the paper. Number 10. Okay. Not 10 frame. Pasting all my squares from my pie. Look, I got 1 in different sets, 2, 3, all the numbers. Okay? So that's our class for today. You did an excellent job. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to put some links so you can do some games online to practice this skill if you want to do it. If not, it's okay. It's just in case you want to practice more, okay? I love you and miss you, and see you tomorrow in our class of maths. We are going to do this activity from the notebook. So remember, you need to do this on your notebook, these little dots. I will explain you what are they for. And we need also our 10 frame. I forgot to mention, but I know you have them at home. So bring your 10 frame and something to put on the 10 frame. The beans or the pasta or some foamy objects that I sent on your material. They can work too. If you have, you can get 10, okay? Have a good day. I love you. Bye-bye.